Hello and welcome back to Lambretta-Lutz. After the last dyno with 66 horsepower, I make further modification on the heads, and I hope it will pay off. I had already a dyno more than 70 horsepower. Unfortunately, I didn't record it. So let's see if I can repeat it and make the volume down. I will start the engine soon, and then let's see. Slip in the clutch, but I had one run with almost 75 horsepower, but this one's great. Watch out, we will reach the 75, I'm sure. Please subscribe and stay tuned and watch out the other dynos, please.